stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaylin and we are back with another video. Today's video is our second check of July budget update, review, closeout, all that. We're going to talk about the goals, what we accomplished, what our plans are going into August, update some of our savings challenges, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then go over a debt update, so where the balance is now with Sally Mae. So without further ado, we're going to get right into it. Kind of crunched for time, so this will not be a long video at all. It's going to be a nice closeout update. And yeah, so first things first, y'all already know we're going to do our little reading for Joy for the Journey. So we're going to do giving to others. Most of us grew up hearing the golden rule: do unto others as you would have them do unto you. God pushes his children beyond their personal backyards to a global golden rule. Linked by satellites, computers, television, and jet travel, we know of worlds beyond our small one. But with knowledge comes responsibility. Personal, national, and global costs skyrocket when we knowingly do wrong or purposely withhold our help. To obey God's global golden rule is to love as God loves. Giving God's love never harms the giver or the recipient. You make a world of a difference as you obey God's global golden rule. Jan Kalberg. So the scriptures are: give and it will be given to you. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over will be put into your bosom. For with the same measure that you use, it will be measured back to you. And that's Luke 6:38. She extends her hand to the poor. Yes, she reaches out her hands to the needy. And that's Proverbs 31:20. He who gives to the poor will not lack, but he who hides his eyes will have many curses. It's Proverbs 28:27. And defend the poor and fatherless. Do justice to the afflicted and needy. Deliver the poor and needy. Free them from the hand of the wicked. That's Psalms 82 verses 3 through 4. So love that. It's always important to give and help others. Like we're called to be in community. So it's very important to help others, help our brothers and sisters. So July, nothing too crazy, okay y'all? Nothing too crazy. We're gonna go over what I spent for the month. I did good in the beginning, okay? And then all these things that I forgot I needed to do popped up. So I have some expenses that definitely did not fully budget for, but it's okay. I looked at everything and I know that it's not anything that's gonna set me back, especially with paying off debt. So we're talking about what I spent. So 713 is where we're starting. I'm just pulling up my card so that we can add everything up. It starts on the 13th. That's when we started tracking for this paycheck. Plus 589 plus 6291 plus 4378 plus 25 plus 109.43 plus 140 25 plus 36.99 plus 20.51 15 19.98 $1.85 629 49.33 25.49. Okay, so total was $584.13. And for me, I honestly don't feel like that is terrible. But based off of my goals, things that I should not have done were definitely these purchases with my challenges that I was trying to do. So I definitely, oh, and then the lunch at work. So a lot lot of it I wasn't supposed to do. So that's that. That's what I wasn't supposed to do. But it's okay. Things happen. Now I know in advance to plan more, especially for trips and stuff. I cannot. That was totally my mistake for sure. It was totally my mistake not budgeting correctly for the trip. So now I'm just looking into my wallet. I do have some money that I was going to deposit back into my account. It's $20, $30, $35, $40. But I think I'm actually going to just, because at this point, the vacation's around the corner and I am going to want some kind of money and I don't know exactly. I just don't want to have to use my card and stuff. I'm going to put this $40 into the vacation and just bring this as pocket money. So we'll have a total of 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So that's good. And then we're gonna see if I have anything else in the wallet. I don't think so. Oh, date night I'm gonna bring to vacation as well, because we are gonna go on a date while we're down there. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115. So 115. And I will just put that in my wallet before we go. So that'll be good. The rental car and everything came out on my card. The plane tickets were bought with credit card rewards. So other than that, we're good. Just to go over the final balances for the sinking funds, we have $5 in birthday, $25 in hubby, car maintenance has 10, emergency fund has 35, medical dental has 5, vacation has 115, Christmas has $60, and then giving is empty. I did use that for some parties that we're having at work. I put that money in there. So next we have our dollar savings challenge. It's July. I don't think I put anything in for July, and I just have a few dollars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, $4, and they are crusty $4. But anything is better than nothing. So I'm just gonna put that behind because I don't see myself having any other dollars for the rest of the month. And then we're not putting anything in the 100 envelope savings challenge. We have $376 in here. And we're gonna talk about the debt update. So Sally Mae, number 3. I'm gonna update my Excel sheet as well for that, because I totally did not update that. It's just been a lot going on. I've been working a lot, so night shift kind of takes out my productivity, to be honest. So 7/12, I don't think we paid anything. 7/12, we didn't pay anything. Balance was $4,394.74. So that was the balance. So 7/26, 1,200. And then I just checked today, and the updated balance is, I feel like time is just flying, and it's honestly just like, slow down. Please slow down. Like, the fact that we're already almost in August is crazy. So the updated balance is $3,212.13. So that is that. And then next month I plan on having that whole check, the second check, to put at least $1,500 down. So y'all, $1,500 minus that is gonna be, we're getting there. We're getting there. September is the goal, and I'm very excited. So we have basically $3,200 left. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I'm gonna be so excited when this one is gone, and then we can start working on the other one. Me and my husband were sitting down and really talking about like a plan for our next home, and it really would be wonderful to go into that within the next year or two. But our goal is definitely for me to have Sally Mae paid off, because that takes a good chunk of my money away, and I work part-time right now. I want to continue to drop my hours until I get a teaching job, and then I'll probably have 2 jobs that are like part-time, but still I don't want to have to go back to full-time just to afford a home, especially right now, like while my daughter's young. Like, I want to be home and present with her. So that is where we're at. We really sat down and tried to figure out like, okay, what is it that we need to do? How can we plan out for a year, and so forth and so on. So with the July goals, all right, I'm all over the place. I did work out. I didn't work out as much as I planned on, just with night shift. Like I said, it's just been exhausting. Meal planning and budget, we definitely got a lot better with that. I've been going to Trader Joe's. We went to Costco. That's pretty much where we do the bulk of our grocery shopping. And we've been eating. We did not eat out. We haven't eaten out in a while. So this is a win right here. The Capital One balance we did pay off. We added back onto it, but it's okay. Amazon, I did do a few purchases. So eating out we did. And then unnecessary spending, I would say that like halfway, because some of the things I probably didn't need, but most of it was for the trip. So everything that I bought, I feel like I justified. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that off. And then so far right now, the motivation is still wanting to pay Sally Mae number 3 loan off by the end of September. We are looking good. And then for my CPAN certification, that's for my job. I have started studying, so the plan is to take that in September. I just have to pay for that, and it is $424, which is nuts, but it's $424 to register. But when I pass, my job will reimburse me back that money. So I will be doing that soon so I can sign up for a testing date in September. So I think July was a win. You know, you're always going to have some kind of setback, or you know, just things happen. Life is life, and it's expensive out here, so we're just doing the best that we can. I think that was pretty much it as far as any news and changes for the upcoming. So my job did like a market analysis, and they did this 2 years ago after COVID, and increased our pay. So we are getting another raise that has already started, but I have not received a check since the raise. So my first check in August will be with my new raise. So thank you, Jesus. We're gonna get a little bit more money. I have a raise coming up in September, which is like our yearly raise, which is usually like a couple cents, like 50 cents, 60 cents, something like that. And then when I get my certification, it goes up another, I get a raise for that too. So definitely gonna have an increase in my pay with the coming months coming, which is gonna be good. I don't know what it's gonna look like, to be honest, until I see it, so I won't know, but I will update things accordingly as far as savings and debt and all that kind of stuff. But I'm very excited to get a little bit. I'll take anything. Like some people were like, oh, it's not a lot, but I'll take it, okay? Whatever you're gonna give me, I'll take it. I'll take a little extra. So another motivation for me doing my certification is getting that extra money. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this little mini July review closeout of the budget. I'm excited for August. I can't wait to see the changes in effect and, you know, adjust the budget accordingly, and then continue to go after these goals, especially debt. So I hope you guys had a good month of July. Happy saving. Have a good week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has